One thing is how we get up to the surface. The final time of use is called the Apollo-Soyuz Test Project. 1975, an American Apollo capsule and a Soviet Soyuz capsule docked together in space, giving us that first international handshake in space. Now we do have one more rocket to talk about, that greenish blue color rocket with the eyes and shark teeth. That is called a Delta II from United Launch Alliance. ULA is made up of Lockheed Martin and Boeing. Now this rocket here is known as the workhorse of the American space program. From the early 1980s to the late 2010s, there's more launches on this specific rocket than any other rocket from the United States, even more than Space Shuttle. That was 155 missions, 153 being successful. Things that you would know: GPS satellites for your cell phones, weather satellites, the early 2000s Mars rovers, all of those launched on a Delta II.
Öyle mi aldım?
Eller cepte, tamam.
Nereye bakıyorsun?